world is undergoing a transformation towards digitalization and decarbonization. As a global leader in power and thermal management technologies, Delta supports customers worldwide with our smart energy saving solutions and continues to innovate through AI technologies. Recently, we have created a digital twin with NVIDIA's Omniverse and OpenUSD to virtually link our specific production lines. Usually, electronics production lines require a lot of position switches and sensors that detect trays and objects to achieve flexible manufacturing. However, it's time-consuming and requires many tools to implement all the settings. With Omniverse, this process is now simplified by consolidating the 3D data of diverse equipment to run multiple what-if simulations on the cloud-based platform in advance, which enables all teams to collaborate seamlessly. The virtual simulation not only saves time and effort for production line building and adjustment, but it also optimizes various aspects of factory operation before actual operation starts. We aim to expand such application into the production lines for AI power supplies. As a mutual partner with NVIDIA, Delta is excited to see a future with more AI implementation, and we will also continue empowering NVIDIA's GPUs and AI servers with our cutting-edge power solutions.